Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another vlog with Snap with Chance. I'm gonna have a long day today guys, I can tell. Yeah, so I currently just got to work right now. Thereafter I have to go assist my friend with her video project that I also have to edit today. I also want to go cut my hair, but I'm not sure which one to do first. But yeah, thereafter we're gonna head to a car meet in Industria. The event is called Fresh Fridays Car Meet and Chill. It's at Motorcity Complex. So yeah, we're gonna head there. The event starts at 6 p.m. and ends at 11 p.m. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today guys. I really hope you're gonna enjoy today's event, or well, the whole day. I'll try to vlog as much as possible, well, as much as I can, just to show you guys what I do on a Friday. Yeah, hope you have a ton of fun. I hope you guys will enjoy the video. And yeah, but I'll update you guys on how the day goes by. And yeah, see you guys later. But I'll see you when I knock off from work. But yeah, peace.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Yeah, so I just knocked off from work right now. I wanna quickly run to the west Rimsag sides to this other flea market. It's something that I wanna go check out, and then yeah, continue the day as planned. Hey man, go man. Sorry about the lighting, this thing tends to change up and stuff. So yeah, see you guys later on. Sure. UJ, my former Scala. I don't think I'm ever gonna come back here, guys. Nah. Walla, hot man. But yeah, guys, UJ, you guys won't see it properly, but this is where you to school. Yeah. This is where we used to chill at McDonald's. Oh, reminiscing, man. Yeah guys, let me fill up and then continue my journey. Ciao. Going down memory lane, passing through Melville now. Well, UJ side, that's where I used to go to school. But yeah man, it's the old times now. But it used to be some good times when I used to chill with my boys. Yeah, miss the good old days. But yeah, we're growing up, right? So yeah, let me continue with my journey and yeah, keep talking to you guys. I want to vlog as much as possible today. I think that's one challenge that I want to do, just to talk to you guys, for us just to interact more, man. But yeah. I just got to the flea market that I said I was going to in the West Rand. Yeah, so let me quickly go look for that something that I said I was looking for. The sun is now out. It was a bit chilly earlier on, but yeah, let me not waste too much time. Let me not waste too much time. I think I'm gonna run out of time actually, me delaying all my things. Let me quickly rush and then yeah, see you guys later.
Later.
yeah guys, I'm outside my barber's place right now. It's a bit full, so I just prefer just waiting outside. But yeah, the boy needs to look good. I also want to get myself something to eat, so just want to make that happen very quickly. So yeah, just gonna cut my hair and dip. But yeah.
Few moments later.
Ke tlo show be famous natural. No ke tlo kenya that video on YouTube tse. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the boy got his hair cut. So yeah, so let me go back to my neighborhood, help my friend out with her movie or well, her video, and then prep for my prep for the car meet later on. I think I need to charge my batteries again before I head there. So let me not waste too much time and go there, guys. But yeah, the boy's clean now. As you can see, I don't look like you guys call it crusty. So yeah, let me head back to my neighborhood, do what I have to do, and then yeah, go to the car meet for later on. So yeah, peace guys.
Much later.
I'm on mental content, bro.
Few moments later.
Highway so empty. Oh my god. From lighter machine. Damn. Gee. Just need my F82. I'm pumping this roll right now. I'm on my way home right now. Well, not home. I'm gonna sleep over at my brother's place. So yeah, let's get home. Alright, guys. Just got back to my brother's place right now. Pretty tired. I actually just want to sleep right now. So yeah. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed my vlog, well, today's vlog. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start editing today's vlog tomorrow. Today I just want to sleep, and yeah. Excuse me. Shout out to every one of you guys that recognized me at the event from watching the vlogs. I really appreciate it. I actually do this for you guys, just for you guys to enjoy my content, well, the whole content, and for you guys also watching at home that can't be on these events but appreciate the content that I put up for you guys. I really appreciate it. Oh guys, I'm really tired, yo. Please let me know if you guys would want me to continue with the vlogs like I did today, which pretty much includes what I do on a daily. Not that I'll be vlogging on a daily, but just to show you guys what I do from the start of the day to the end of the day. So yeah, just let me know if you guys would like that type of content for me to put out for you guys. Yeah, but other than that, let me go get some rest, and yeah, see you guys on the next upload, whenever that is. I don't know whether it's going to be a car meet or a car feature. As soon as we organize that, that's when I'll see you guys. But yeah, see you guys later.